If you already own a game on Steam and want to give it to a friend, the first thing to know is that you cannot transfer your owned license directly from your library. Once a game is added to your account, it stays tied to that account permanently. But the good news is, you can still buy a fresh copy of the same game and gift that copy to someone else. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, plus the most common problems that stop Steam gifting from working, and one alternative option if you do not want to buy the game again. If this tutorial helps, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Steam guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam and go to the store page for the game you want to gift. Even if you already own it, click Add to Cart. Steam may warn you that you already own the game, but in many cases it will still let you continue for gifting purposes. Once the game is in your cart, go to your cart and look for the option that says Purchase as a Gift. This is the key step because the Purchase for Myself option will usually be grayed out when Steam detects you already own the game. Click Purchase as a Gift and then choose the friend you want to send it to from your Steam friends list. If you do not see your friend, make sure you are both friends on Steam and that their account is eligible to receive gifts. After that, Steam will ask whether you want to send the gift immediately or schedule the delivery for a future date, like a birthday or holiday. Pick the option you want, then finish the checkout process normally. Once the payment goes through, Steam will send the gift to your friend and they can accept it from their Steam account. Now let's talk about the most common roadblocks because this is where a lot of people get stuck. The first issue is regional price differences. If the price of the game in your region is much different from your friend's region, Steam may block the gift. This is usually done to prevent people from exploiting cheaper regional pricing, and even a difference of around 10% or more can sometimes trigger a restriction. If that happens, gifting may not be available for that game, or it may only work between certain regions. The second issue is personalized bundles. For example, if you are looking at a complete your collection style bundle, that bundle is priced dynamically based on what you already own. Because the price is unique to your account, Steam usually will not let you gift that bundle directly. In that case, the better option is to gift the individual game instead, or choose a fixed price bundle that does allow gifting. The third issue is inventory items. If you already have a Steam gift sitting in your inventory from an older promotion or a multi-pack, you do not need to go through the store page at all. Instead, open your profile, go to inventory, find the gift item, click it, and then choose Send Get Gift. That method is used for inventory-based gift copies, not store purchases. Now, if you do not want to buy the game a second time, there is another option that is worth knowing about: Steam Family. By inviting a friend to your Steam Family group, they may be able to access your shared library of eligible games. They can install and play supported titles using their own saves and their own achievements, as long as you are not playing a shared game from the library at the same time. It is not the same as gifting a game permanently, but for many people it is the easiest workaround if the goal is simply to let someone else play. So to quickly recap, you cannot transfer a game you already own, but you can buy a new copy from the store and send it as a gift, use inventory gifts if you already have one, or set up Steam Family if sharing is the better option. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Steam tips, and I'll see you in the next one.